Hello people of the world, and today we're gonna do some science. So basically we're gonna cut open the lobster egg, as you would have seen in my last few videos. Yeah, my brother's blue crayfish is egg bound, and when we scooped out the lobster to transport it to another proper safe container, a loose egg fell off the lobster. So this egg is it's basically dead. So we do some science. We're gonna cut it open and see what's inside. Probably nothing. Let's just do it. So camera check. And in 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna lift up the sheet. And lift. Oh. Okay, let me show you this. So this is a specimen of a blue crayfish egg. So see it closer there. Okay. Enlarge. See that? That's an egg. So I know it's incredibly small. So I'm gonna take the egg out and start, incisions. So if you're wondering why I put a cap with water in it for the egg, so it wouldn't start drying. So, yeah, let me just get the egg out. So here is the egg. Stuck to my finger. There we go, that's the egg. Okay, so egg is there. So let's start cutting it, shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna sit down and we are gonna do this properly. Okay, so we're gonna put the first cut. 3, 2, 1. Ugh, there's like brown stuff on it. Let me just wipe that off. Okay, as you can see, it's not that much, honestly. It's just some sort of liquid in the eggs. So there isn't a lobster in it yet. So, honestly, I don't even think it's fertilized. So, this is the egg, which popped. Kind of expected that, honestly, because there isn't a shell. It's just like gelatin, texture stuff. So, that's it, basically. Here's the better camera. See this properly. That's disgusting. Wait. Yeah, I can't see it there. Okay, anyways. This is the egg. Looks like poo. It's disgusting. Let me see. Let me see if I can do this. See that? No, it's like that. And we're gonna enlarge. There isn't much difference, but better than nothing. Yeah, it didn't help much. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.